Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a fantastic song actually from Tyler Childers. It's called Oneida. Alright, I really love the kind of how they perform this song. This is the live version, official live version, as a group, a band there, and they're playing this kind of in a waltz style, like 1 2 3 1 2 3. That's the strumming pattern through the entire song. I love that the tempo and the style that it brings, a little bit old, and I just love it. Let's go into the song. So we have the capo set on the 3rd fret. That is the setup with this song, and actually, as astonishing that even sounds, we have only 3 chords. That builds up this entire song with only 3 chords. That's amazing. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna use the E, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there, and then you have to add 4th fret A string and 4th D. And the final chord is A. So that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so only 3 chords, E, F sharp, and A. And we have 2 ways of handling the chords, but first we need to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, E, 1 string around is about 3 downs, and it goes like this. Okay, so I'm playing on the first down on the bass string to really mark out the chord, and then the next 2 downs are in the mid-high area down here. Okay, so bass, top, top, bass, top, top, bass, top, top. Okay, and as I said, we have different styles of handling 2 of these chords. That's the E and the A chord. So when you play the strumming patterns here, the first down, as I mentioned, was on the bass strings, and we have 2 different bass strings for these 2 chords. Okay, so for E, we have the open E string as 1 bass string, and the 2nd fret A string, that's the B note, that is the 2nd bass string. So E. I think you can hear the difference here. The first down, and then you play the 2 top strings down here, and then the next down you alternate with this 2nd bass string on the 2nd fret A. So okay, so that is how you handle the E strumming. Okay, and the next chord, like I mentioned, is the A, and here you're gonna start with the open A string as the first bass note, and then you're going to alternate that with the open E string. Okay, so you play open A and then open E. So with A strumming goes like this. And that is just the next level. Try first to just play this song, and we're gonna go through it soon. And then as you get more comfortable with the chord switches and the strumming and all that, then you can go into this technique to really take it to the next level. All right, so let's go into the first verse here. And we have 2 halves, so to speak. We have the first half goes E, 2 string rounds. That means you're gonna alternate 1 time. So that is 2 string rounds. Then you go to the F sharp and play 1. And then you play A7. And you start on the A string. E, A, E, A, E, and A. That is 7 rounds. And then you go back to play E 4 rounds. E. That's the first half. So again, E2, F sharp, 1, A7, and E4. Then you stay on that E for the next half and play 2. So E2, F sharp, 1, A6, and E2. So second half goes. That is the first verse. All right, so just to summarize the first verse, two halves. So we had the first one, E2, F sharp minor 1, A7, and E4. You stay on that E and play another 2 rounds, and then F sharp minor 1, A6, and E2. Then at 48 seconds in, starts the first chorus, and that's where it sings Oneida, okay? So you're gonna play F sharp minor 2, A2, E2, A4, and E4. That's it. So F sharp, A, E, A, and E. All right. So there you have the chorus play. And these two, they're gonna alternate. You're gonna play one verse, one chorus, one verse, one chorus. And then at 2 minutes and 13 seconds in comes an instrumental part. I want to show you how to play that. So let's go into this. And you have the F sharp minor. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. Then A2. Then E2. Then A4. Okay, so far we played half of it pretty much. And then you're going to play the following part for 2 rounds, and that is to play E2, F sharp minor 1, A7, and E4. That portion you're going to play for 2 rounds. So E2, F sharp, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and E2, 3, 4. Again. That's the instrumental part. And then you just jump back into the verse play, chorus play, and bounce back and forth there till you end the song from Title Chillers. It's called Oneida. Great song, guys. If you love guitar, this kind of songs, older-ish, it's a new song, but I mean, the vibe is older, then this is a song to go for. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.